Join us for a hop and giveaway. Use the hashtag N2S Picnic Cows to bring up all the videos in this hop. Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. We are doing a YouTube hop today for our stamp of the month, Picnic Cows. What a cute little stamp. I love this artwork by Whimsical Inklings at Last Minute Manda, and they are just so cute, and we have cows eating barbecue food, so I think that is hilarious. We have a coordinating die. The dies do come on a magnetic sheet so you could store them away easily. The dies do cut out all the sentiments for you. So for our stamp of the month club, you can choose monthly or you can purchase as a one-time purchase. Right now the stamp is sold out, but the stamp and die combo is still available. So if you head on over to the shop and want to pick it up and want to join the club, you do get an 18% off discount. So you choose monthly for your frequency before checkout, and then you'll see that 18% discount in your shopping cart. I paired up my cards, my cute little stamps, with the paper pad club. So these are the two new paper pads released this month. We have Pink Roses and Just Grilling, and I think these are just super cute and fun paper pads. I used both of these on my cards today. The Just Grilling paper pad comes with really cute patterns, and there's some cutouts in here as well that would be super fun to just throw on the front of your card. So I'm going to be doing that next. And then the Pink Roses is just a beautiful color palette. The green and pink and reds with the roses. I just love it. So these are the first two cards that I made that you might have seen in my previous video. And I did put a little drop shadow behind my images by using the die from the image and just run it through my cutting machine with black cardstock. Then I just offset it a little bit. And then I used the sentiment, "You're So Moveless" and "Well Done" for these two cards. And I think they turned out super cute. And then for the next two cards, we used that really pretty paper, Pink Roses, and I did pop up my images. I did not pop up the sentiment on this one, but I kind of like the look of popping up the sentiment better. What do you think? I did add some enamel dots on these two cards, and I just love the pretty patterns. I think they look so fun. So which card is your favorite? We'll say this one's number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So leave a comment down below for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate. You'll use the hashtag N2S Picnic Cows to bring up all the videos in this hop. This hop will close on August 14th, and I will announce the winner on my YouTube community tab on August 14th. You can also just click back on the Rafflecopter link to see who the winner was. And to enter into the giveaway, look in the description box for my Rafflecopter link. You only need to enter once through the Rafflecopter link. You can unlock different options in that Rafflecopter for extra entries. Like if you join the newsletter, you'll get extra points for that. Or if you join the Facebook group, if you follow us on Pinterest. So there's different options there for a chance to earn some extra entries. So I hope you guys enjoy the hop and get lots of inspiration for this cute stamp set. And I will see you guys soon. Thanks for stopping by.